Dive into the whirlwind of awe-inspiring weather phenomena with Tornado Extreme, your ultimate guide to understanding the world's most powerful winds. Our channel is dedicated to exploring and explaining extreme weather phenomena, with a particular focus on the majestic and terrifying beauty of tornadoes. We'll take you on a thrilling journey, right into the heart of these powerful storms. Today we're going to unravel the mystery of how tornadoes form. So brace yourself for an exhilarating journey into the eye of the storm. A tornado, a rapidly rotating column of air, might seem like a random act of nature, but it's actually a complex process. This natural phenomenon, often associated with thunderstorms, is the embodiment of nature's power and unpredictability. So what exactly is a tornado? At its core, a tornado is a violent and dangerous rotating column of air that is in contact with both the surface of the Earth and a cumulonimbus cloud, or in some cases, the base of a cumulus cloud. It's like a giant, swirling funnel of wind, with speeds that can reach over 200 miles per hour. But what causes these awe-inspiring and sometimes terrifying weather events to form? The formation of a tornado requires three key components. First, there must be a thunderstorm. This is the birthplace of a tornado, where unstable air and moisture combine to create a stormy environment. Second, there needs to be a change in wind direction and an increase in wind speed with increasing altitude. This creates an invisible, horizontal spinning effect in the lower atmosphere. Finally, this horizontally spinning air needs to be tilted into a vertical orientation by rising air within the thunderstorm. This results in the formation of a tornado's signature funnel shape. The combination of these components can lead to the creation of a tornado, one of nature's most powerful and awe-inspiring phenomena. Now that we've grasped the basics, let's delve deeper into the process. When the perfect storm brews, a tornado takes its first breath. But how does this happen? Well, it all begins with a thunderstorm. You see, not every thunderstorm births a tornado. It's only the severe ones, the supercells, that have the potential to spawn these awe-inspiring yet terrifying entities. So let's break down what happens in a supercell thunderstorm. The first thing we need to understand is the concept of updrafts and downdrafts. Imagine a giant invisible hand reaching down from the sky and lifting a huge chunk of air upwards. That's essentially what an updraft is. As the sun heats the Earth's surface, it warms the air above it. This warm air becomes lighter and rises, creating an updraft. Now, as this warm, moist air rises, it cools and condenses, forming clouds and eventually a thunderstorm. But here's the twist. The rising air, or the updraft, doesn't just go straight up. It also starts to rotate thanks to the varying wind speeds and directions at different heights, an atmospheric condition known as wind shear. Meanwhile, the downdraft is the exact opposite of the updraft. It's the cooler, denser air sinking back down to the ground. The downdraft and the updraft exist side by side, creating a circular flow of air within the thunderstorm. This is the beginning of our tornado's rotation. However, we don't have a tornado just yet. What we have now is a rotating thunderstorm, a supercell. The rotation is still horizontal, parallel to the ground. The updraft continues to feed the storm, and the rotation continues to intensify. It's like a figure skater pulling in her arms to spin faster. So the storm continues to grow and rotate, but it's still not a tornado. What's missing? Well, that's a story for another scene. For now, let's just say that there are a few more steps in this atmospheric dance before the tornado takes its full form. This is just the beginning. The tornado is yet to take its full form. Here at Tornado Extreme, we like to dive right into the heart of the storm, so let's continue our journey. As we delve into the final stages of tornado formation, we encounter one of nature's most fascinating phenomena, the mesocyclone. A mesocyclone is a rotating updraft, a vortex of air that spins on a vertical axis. It's this spinning motion that sets the stage for the dramatic entrance of a tornado. But how does this rotation begin? The answer lies in the concept of wind shear. Wind shear is a difference in wind speed or direction over a relatively short distance in the atmosphere. When winds at two different levels above the ground blow at different speeds or in different directions, they can create a horizontal spinning effect in the lower atmosphere. Now picture this. An updraft lifts this horizontally spinning air vertically, twisting it into an upright position. This rotating updraft, now known as a mesocyclone, is the cradle from which a tornado can be born. As the mesocyclone continues to intensify, it can start to produce a tornado. This happens when the rotation tightens and speeds up, drawing in more surrounding air. The pressure inside the vortex drops dramatically, causing moisture in the air to condense and form the visible funnel cloud we recognize as a tornado. And there you have it, the birth of a tornado. The life of a tornado may be brief, but its impact can last a lifetime. This statement holds true as the lifespan of a tornado, while typically only a matter of minutes, can leave a path of destruction that takes months, even years, to recover from. These powerful winds, spinning at speeds of up to 300 miles per hour, can flatten buildings, uproot trees, and hurl vehicles through the air. It's a stark reminder of nature's formidable force and the respect we must accord it. Yet with this awe-inspiring power comes an opportunity for learning and understanding. By studying these stormy phenomena, we can better predict their paths, potentially saving lives and reducing property damage. Tornado awareness and safety is crucial, particularly for those living in tornado-prone regions. Understanding the signs of an imminent tornado, knowing where to seek shelter, and having a prepared emergency kit can make all the difference when seconds count. In the face of a tornado's might, knowledge is our greatest shield. It's a fascinating, if somewhat terrifying, aspect of our world's weather system, and one we'll continue to explore here on Tornado Extreme. Thanks for joining us on this whirlwind adventure. Remember to subscribe to Tornado Extreme for more insights into the world's most powerful winds. Visit our website, tornadoextreme.com, for more information. Stay safe and stay curious, weather enthusiasts.